Kamorale. Good evening, everyone. Today, we are here to celebrate our 38th National Day of the Federated States of Micronesia and the 35th diplomatic relationship with China and the Federated States of Micronesia. We welcome you all to this event.
May I propose a toast to the partnership between the Federated States of Micronesia and the People's Republic of China, to the health and prosperity of the Chinese people and their leadership, to the good health of all our esteemed guests present this evening. As the Chinese proverb wisely states, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let us take that step together. Kanbei, xie, thank you very much. Cheers.
Welcome, come around.